Alright guys, today is the second day of spring, okay, the 22nd of March 2014, and you can tell there's some snow and ice on here. We are in a Mount Gorgonio wilderness right now, and Vivian Creek trail is this way. Okay, anyway, I'm doing super small hike today, the Waterfall, okay, and this is a super easy hike, about 2 mile hike. Not hard at all. I hurt my ankle, so I've been hitting all the small hikes. So all the small hikes I have to do now till my ankle recover 100%, and it will be fun. This is a nice area. I love this. This area is gorgeous. This is the biggest mountain range in Southern California, and it's the highest mountain range here, Mount Gorgonio. Anyway, talk to you guys later. It's gonna be a nice, super mellow hike with a few difficult spots. So we'll talk to you guys later. As you can tell, this creek got a little bit of water in it. My bathtub got more water in it. Anyway. We have a horrible year for snow and rain in Southern California, which everybody knows that. 2014 is probably the worst on record. And look at this. Look at it. At least it's trying, God's sake. Yeah, not. So there's snow, like I said, a little bit of snow on top right there. Look at that. Snow. A little bit snow. All the way, all the top peaks. Okay. This is not even a quarter mile out. And okay, and Big Falls Hazards area. I'll be doing this. I'll be going this right here. Okay, right below. And this is beginning the falls right there. I'll be back this way, but I'm gonna check this little mini waterfall right here. Okay. You see, if you get to see the waterfall from here. So it's about 500 plus feet waterfall. Start all the way there. And there's it. And that's far from here too. Yeah. Okay. And it goes all the way right here. It is about probably, 3 or 4 drops, but it's about 500 plus feet cumulative. So it's kind of neat. Very interesting area right here. Melt. Anyway, this is cool as hell right here. There you go. That's cool. It'd be nice area right here for a picnic. Okay. It's really hard to see the whole. Okay. We'll talk to you guys later. I said I went to this little mini waterfall, probably 12-15 feet, and now time to go check this. Now this will take you to the main Big Falls. Okay, super easy hike. So a little bit steep, but right here this section, but it's nothing really. You gotta tick up. I wish if it's like fucking 10 miles or so, round trip, that would be nice to solid hike, but it's not. The whole trip is like 2 mile round trip. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. So this is the bottom segment right here, and another segment right here. Up. Look at that. This way a little bit. Very loose rock here. They were right, man. I should not be filming right now. Oh, hey, hey, hey. This spot, you see? But the idea, it's still hard to see the whole thing. It's a big waterfall. Alright, so I gotta go back. Anyway, let's take a few books right here. Okay, talk to you guys later. Yeah. That's beautiful. Okay, we start seeing big falls now. Okay. Yeah. I guess this is the furthest you can go, but you know I'm gonna go further. Look at that drop. Go from that puppy right there. Another drop right there, probably another drop behind this. There, this is awesome, guys. I'm gonna go over there, take some photos over there. It's gonna be nice. I'll check it out. Should follow the creek. Yep. This is good. Nice. Not bad. Big falls. Over 500 feet. And the accumulative drop. It's not one drop. I think it's like 4 drops. Okay, so we'll talk to you guys later. Okay, look at that. Drop right there, it goes down there, then it keeps going all the way there, drop. There's another drop right there. Okay. And it's right there, I think 1, 3, 4 drops. 4 drops and it's dumped in the creek. Okay, this is great. Nicely done. This right there. Explore a little bit here. I should be careful because this is very slippery rocks here. It's beautiful. Gonna cross the creek, go to the other side, take it over there. Nice. This is gorgeous here, guys. Look at it. A little steep, they do the climbing here, but dude, look at this. Look at this from here. Look at that. This is beautiful. Ah, this is great. If I go down there, I don't need these sticks. Okay, go this way. Oh, come on down. Jesus. That's safe out here? Not really. Just really shallow. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. This is kind of dangerous out here. through my, it's not helping me, it's giving me more trouble. So I got a big backpack, so I gotta be really careful. Okay, hold on guys. Very dangerous here. I got myself in a bad spot right here. I'm gonna change this spot. This is a bad spot. Let me see here. Maybe this spot. You better. Yes. My heavy backpack. Okay. Much better. Yes. Alright. Much better. Oh God. And now I gotta go up. It doesn't look bad on camera, but it's bad. It's steep. Anyway. Alright. Look at that. This is great. I'm about this drop right there. Okay. This is a really nice solid waterfall right here. Hey. Jeez. Missed that one. Oh man. It's solid. Look at this waterfall. That's beautiful. Oh. Look at the views. Spectacular. That's good. Okay, so I'm taking my break. This is the lunch here, and I drove 2 hours to get here just for a 2-mile hike. Not even. Maybe mix of everything, 2-mile run trip hike. So it's worth every second of it. This is beautiful. Now I took my bag. Now I can explore. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that, man. Spectacular. This is great. Having a great time. There's only me in here. Not even once, not even single person in here. Just RAMIDOGG. I'm gonna go over there right now. I want to try to get footage for the one above it. You know? And I'm gonna take some few boats right here. So talk to you there. I get mist right here, it's crazy. See, you can see a little bit top right there. See right there? The top drop. Right there. That's beautiful. Ooh, I got a mist here. Man, really misty here. Ah. That's beautiful, guys. Okay, now we're leaving. I'm leaving right here. This beautiful waterfall. Okay. Like I said, it's a super short hike. But for you to experience it, to go to this spot, you have to do a little bit of climbing. And it is kind of risky. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, rocky. Is it under waterfall? Oh, this is just gorgeous. So glad I came here. My ankle's okay, it's not bad. Doesn't hurt as much. Alright guys, I don't want to risk it, so we'll talk to you guys there, alright? This is beautiful. There. Then this, see from top you do not see this at all. And that's a big drop. This is the top drop. You know, it's probably another drop all the way on top too. So, God, that'd be so nice to go all the way to the top. But one of these days I'll do it. It's really neat. That's where the gate is right here. And now going back. Later. Like I said, super easy hike, but it's a little bit challenging if you want to go all the way to the top of the where I went. A little bit, not too challenging, but you know what I'm saying? It's okay. A lot of squirrels here. Alright, talk to you guys later. With the sign right here, see the houses right here. It's not even like, God's sake. The whole hike, like I say over and over and over. It's like less than 2 miles. It's a piece of cake. Okay, talk to you guys later. The hike is over. Super easy. Struck weather. A lot of snow on top. Not a lot, but it's enough. Need a lot more though. Talk to you guys later.